Hello friends, today we continue our Chinese Mandarin lesson. Today we're on lesson 3.
你是美国人吗？
Well, we have a new word here. Let's click on it. What does it mean?
妈
Ma. Question particle for yes, no questions. Oh, so this ma creates a question. Okay. 你是美国人吗? So it means, are you American? 你是美国人 means you are American, but when you add ma, it becomes a question. 你是美国人吗? Are you American? Okay, are you American?
你是美国人吗？
你是美国人吗? I am American. 我是美国人。
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 你是中国人吗？
你是中国人吗? 中国 means China, so are you Chinese?
你是中国人吗？
你是中国人吗?
中
Oh, we have a new character. A knife cuts a cake down the middle. Oh, understand. Let's try it. Let's try like this and like this. Okay, we'll try it ourselves now. This way, that way, this way, and this way. Great.
我不是中国人。
我不是中国人 It means I am not Chinese, so this one. 我不是中国人 Which one of these is she or her? This one.
他
他 I noticed that he or she is the same pronunciation. In China, both is pronounced like ta, but they have different characters. Yes.
他是美国人吗？
So depending on the character, we can distinguish between him or her, right? He or she. So 他是美国人吗? It means, is she American? Is she American?
他是美国人吗？
她是美国人吗? She is not American. 她不是美国人。
他不是美国人。
她不是美国人。
你是中国人吗？
你是中国人吗? Are you Chinese? So in this lesson we have to speak, right? 你是中国人吗? Yay! So here is a dialogue. There is something that the other person is asking and we are replying with 她不是中国人 which means she is not Chinese. So the question might be, is she Chinese? So 她是中国人吗? I think this one is the correct one.
他是中国人吗？
她是中国人吗? Yes, we were right.
你是中国人吗？
Can we listen again?
你是中国人吗？
你是中国人吗? Are you Chinese, right?
你是中国人吗？
你是中国人吗 ？Are you American？ 你是美国人吗？你是美国人吗 ？Are you American？
你是美国人吗？
你是美国人吗 ？Okay. China means 中国。I think there was a character which meant slicing the cake in the middle. So this
中国。
中国。We have to match the pairs.
我。
it means I or me.
他。
她 means she or her. 你 it means you. Okay.
他是美国人吗？
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 他是Нет, no. 他不是美国人。他是美国人。OK， 他是美国人。
他是美国人。
他是美国人。Is she Chinese？ 他是中国人吗？他是中
国人
吗？他是中国人吗？
他是中国人吗？
他是中国人吗 ？Yes, we did it. And we are keeping our streak going. Good. Alright. See you soon, guys, in the next video.